Welcome to Divine Femme TV. My name is Sarah Rose, and this is another channeled message for the Divine Feminine Collective. This message will not resonate with everyone. I am channeling for different waves of the collective, so if this does not resonate, I do encourage you to check out the entire playlist, which I will link in the description below this video and also at the end of this video. You can always browse those titles and see if something resonates with you. That being said, let's just dive into the message that's coming through. It's very, very clear. It's been bubbling up. This song was coming to mind. I started singing the lyrics to "Here comes the sun, doo doo doo. Here comes the sun, and I said it's alright. Okay, so the other image that was popping up as I was singing this was the Eight of Cups card. This Eight of Cups card is where the woman is walking away from the cups and walking towards the sun. So I love this. Obviously, this is not gender specific, so just take it how it resonates and apply it to your situation. But this woman is walking away from cups. Some of those cups are empty, some of those cups are kind of half full, but they're not fulfilling her from within in some way, shape, or form. So the woman on this card, she is walking away from everything that's no longer serving her. She's releasing attachments, she's letting go, she's walking away, she's surrendering everything to the divine, and her walking towards the sun represents her choosing herself. The sun card in the tarot deck represents the happiest card in the deck, right? Joyful fulfillment, success in all areas, true abundance and inner fulfillment. She is walking away from everything that is not serving her, and she's walking towards her true inner fulfillment and joy, the kind that emanates from within. So if you've been on this journey and you're resonating with this, you are beyond grasping for external validation. You know, seeking love, happiness, joy, abundance, security, safety, all the things outside of yourself. You have been doing the work and you've been coming home to yourself, and you are following your true happiness, your true joy, and this is going to bring you success and abundance in all areas of your life. True success, true abundance, true fulfillment, what I call as quote unquote soul-aligned success. Soul-aligned success is happiness, joy, and fulfillment and abundance in all areas of your life, no longer compromising one area of your life for another. This is not an either-or mentality. You're transcending this. You're not having to sacrifice your joy in order to make money. You're not having to sacrifice your health in order to make money. You're not having to sacrifice your money in order to have a healthy relationship. For example, you are truly manifesting inner joy, fulfillment, success, and abundance in all areas of your life by choosing you, by choosing yourself, by following your passion, your joy, your fun, what lights you up, right? So the sun also represents the divine source within you. You are truly aligning with the divine source within you and embodying it. And this is just naturally causing a letting go and releasing of everything that's not serving you. The thing I wanted to also preface that's been coming up is that some of these cups are half full. Some of them are completely empty and knocked over, but they have not been fulfilling her. This also indicates that you are walking away from good enough in order to move forward into your divine greatness. You are no longer settling or compromising or putting yourself last, and you are no longer settling for mediocrity or a cup that's half full in any area of your life. You're walking away from good in order to allow greatness to pour into your life, divine greatness, the kind of greatness that pours into your life when you are anchored in your divinity and you trust in your heart and know in your heart and live from your heart, and you truly know that you are a child of God. You are the Son of God. You are walking towards that light, walking towards fully embodying that. And I hesitate to use the term walking towards, because it implies that this divine essence that you are doesn't already dwell within you. But that's not the case. But I'm using language here I'm using language here to describe something that is an apparent journey of you coming home to yourself. But you've already been the love that you're seeking. You've always been the love that you're seeking, the abundance that you're seeking, the fulfillment that you're seeking, the joy that you're seeking, the happiness that you're seeking, that you used to seek outside of yourself, you are now finding within. This is what she is walking towards. She is finding the sun, the love, the divine essence, the light within herself, and she is walking towards that. And so on this journey, you're peeling away layers of untruths and falsehoods and things that have kept you believing in some way, shape, or form that you are somehow less than, or not worthy of, or not good enough, or any fear based energies that are rooted in lack or scarcity that would tell you that you need to settle or compromise your true soul core values. And this has all been illusory. This has all been untruths, just rooted in past conditioning of things you've absorbed over your lifetime and lifetimes. The thing that's coming through also is that you have lived many, many hundreds, thousands of lifetimes where you have been stuck in strife and suffering and sacrificing and compromising and stress and worry and anxiety and lack and all the things. That is not what this lifetime is for. In this lifetime, you are here to embody your divinity and experience the plentiful goodness that life has to offer. So, as she is walking away from these half empty cups or empty cups, she is moving towards her fulfillment and she is open to receive the goodness of life that brings her true inner fulfillment and joy from within, the unconditional joy that is not rooted in external validation. So the other thing that's coming through is my attention's being brought back to the cups representing heart and emotions. She is following her heart. She is allowing her heart to lead. And anything that has been, you know, leaving her feeling unfulfilled on a heart and emotional level from within, that is not in true alignment with her heart desires, with what she truly desires for her life on a soul level. Because the heart is the compass that allows you to, move through this world and come into alignment and resonance with what your soul came here to experience. So she is following her heart, and her heart is guiding her away from things that no longer resonate. She is choosing herself. She's choosing her heart and to follow her heart. She's coming home to herself and fully embodying her divinity. So right now, the message that's coming through is that you may be feeling some level of moving out of an old phase, letting go, releasing an old phase. But the light is at the end of the tunnel, so to speak. You're moving into something that is going to bring you so much joy, happiness, success, a love, and abundance, and fulfill you on an inner level because you have chosen yourself, because you have decided to no longer look outside of yourself for external validation and follow your compass, follow your heart. And it may have been a bumpy ride. If you're listening to this, I can most definitely, almost 100% say for you that it's been a bumpy ride. The journey of the Divine Feminine, the way of the Divine Feminine is one of true ascension, awakening, alchemy, purification, and embodiment. And you don't get to the point where you're able to move into your inner fulfillment until you've shined a light on all of the aspects of yourself where you have been giving your power away, where you have been sabotaging or abandoning your own desires or abandoning your own heart, where you have been giving in to fear or scarcity or lack or a sense of unworthiness or powerlessness. All of that gets shown to you on this journey. All of your abandonment wounds get revealed to you. All the places you cling to some form of safety, security, love, or approval or validation outside of yourself are revealed and illuminated so that you can alchemize them. Then liberate yourself from within by being able to realize and recognize the light within. Because prior to that, there's so much. I'm getting a pair of glasses that are kind of like dirty, right? You're looking through dirty glasses prior to realizing your your true nature and fully embodying this. You're living life through all of these different filters and dirty lenses. And as you begin the purification process and the inner alchemy and stripping away all of the untruths and falsehoods and walking away from what's no longer serving you and really truly claiming your power and step by step, inch by inch, moving into fully embodying your divinity, another layer of this dirty lens of the glasses you've been seeing gets removed, right? And you're able to see things more clearly. And then you move into fully embodying this realization, which is an amazing, amazing process. This process of awakening to your divinity and fully embodying it and living from heart centered unity consciousness, which is living from the love that you are, living from your true divine essence. This is the way of the divine feminine. You are here to anchor in divine love, unity consciousness, by being the walking, talking, living example as a free soul, living, walking, talking, and breathing your highest truth, your most authentic, divinely aligned path. Living from joy, living from abundance, living from fulfillment, living from true inner joy and peace and harmony and unification within. And then expressing that out into the world in whatever way that resonates with you, because you can't not. Because when you embody the divine love that you are, it only wants to shine through you. It only wants to give. It only wants to illuminate. And it will illuminate. It will illuminate other people's shadows. It will illuminate the darkness. It will illuminate the shadows within yourself. It will illuminate the shadows of the people that you come in contact with. You become a living, walking, talking, breathing catalyst and alchemizer in this 3D experience as part of your role in ascension into new earth. So I celebrate you. I'm excited for you. The light is at the end of the tunnel. If you were asking for a sign or praying for some form of hope or clarity, or that you were on the right path, this is your sign. There is no wrong path. The clarity that you are seeking exists within you. There is no wrong path. You're being divinely guided. Trust in the knowing of that. You are being divinely guided to release and let go. The light is at the end of the tunnel. You can see it. You can trust it. This light is you. This light exists within you. You are not separate from this light. And that's what you realize on this journey. And sometimes you have to walk away from all the shitty things and all the half-filled cups and all the spilled cups. And sometimes you have to experience all the denser emotions and all the falsehoods and untruths. And you know what? It's a beautiful, messy, glorious journey that brings you home to the love and light within you, that brings you home to yourself. And if this resonated with you, I'd love to hear from you. Please drop me a comment. If you want support and help on your journey, then I welcome you to check out Embody the Empress. And until next time, I hope this finds you well. Namaste.